Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're someone who loves a little extra flutter in your eyes, you're in for a treat today. We're diving into the world of false lashes with a look at the Ardell False Eyelashes Demi Wispies in black. This product promises to bring luxury lashes to your makeup routine at a price that doesn't break the bank, and we're going to find out if it really delivers. So let's get into it. These lashes come in a handy pack with 6 pairs of lashes and an applicator tool. Perfect for those who are just starting with falsies or even for those who are seasoned pros. The Demi Wispies design features shorter lashes on the inner corner and longer on the outer corner, creating that soft, flared effect that adds a natural yet dramatic look. What's especially great about them is the lightweight feel. They give you volume and length without looking over the top, making them a fantastic choice for daily wear or a night out. The quality of the lashes is solid. Each pair is handcrafted with a delicate curl and soft feel, and they're designed to be reusable. The band is flexible, which makes them easy to fit and cut according to your eye shape. Plus, the pack includes an Ardell Precision Lash Applicator, which is a real game changer. It's ergonomic, with rubber-coated grips that offer excellent control, so whether you're a newbie or a lash pro, applying these falsies is a breeze. I personally found the applicator helpful, providing a steadier hand and more accurate placement than if I were just using my fingers. In terms of performance, these lashes really hit the mark. They stay put throughout the day, and once I applied them, they didn't budge, even during a busy day running errands. They're comfortable enough to wear for extended periods, which is something you don't always get with falsies, especially if the band is too thick or stiff. Now let's talk pros and cons. Natural look. The Demi Wispies have a beautiful, soft curl that adds just the right amount of drama without being overly bold. Ease of use. The included applicator tool makes the process smoother, especially for beginners, reusable. These lashes hold up well after a few uses with proper care, offering great value for the price. Affordable. When it comes to luxury lashes on a budget, this pack delivers quality without breaking the bank. Cons: fitting. Depending on the shape of your eyes, you might need to trim the lashes a bit to get them fit perfectly. Not a big deal, but worth mentioning. Glue. While the lashes themselves are great, some users have noted that the glue can be tricky to work with at times, especially for beginners. However, this is an issue that can be easily solved with a better lash glue. When we get into value for money, Ardell really offers a solid deal. For 6 pairs lashes, a precision applicator, and the promise of a comfortable, natural look, these lashes are priced quite reasonably. If you're someone who wants a good quality lash without spending a fortune, these Demi Wispies might be just what you're looking for. Comparing them to other options in the market, the Ardell Demi Wispies are at the top of the pack for affordable falsies. They're not as luxurious as some higher-end brands, but they certainly provide that perfect flutter without the hefty price tag. As for build quality and longevity, I'd say they're sturdy, but like most falsies, their lifespan depends on how carefully you handle them. Make sure to remove the glue from the band after each use and store them properly to get the most out of each pair. If you're wondering about customer support, I haven't had any issues with the brand, but Ardell is well known for providing good customer service if anything goes wrong. Their reputation is solid when it comes to responding to queries. In terms of product alternatives, there are certainly other options out there that offer a similar look and feel, but few at this price point. If you're willing to spend a little more, you might find some other premium brands that offer more customization options or a wider variety of styles. But if budget is a concern, these are a great choice. So what's the final verdict? The Ardell Demi Wispies are a fantastic choice for anyone looking to add some drama to their eyes without feeling too done up. They're perfect for beginners, as well as those who need a reliable pair of everyday falsies. Affordable, easy to apply, and comfortable. What's not to love? Whether you're a lash enthusiast or just dipping your toes into the world of falsies, these lashes are a solid option. If this review helped you make a decision, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can get notified about all our beauty tips and tricks. Your support helps us keep creating honest reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay beautiful inside and out.